Introduction to Rytr for Product Descriptions.
Rytr is a powerful online writing assistant that makes it easy to create effective product descriptions. Whether you manage a small store or a large e-commerce site, using Rytr can save you time and improve your marketing by crafting compelling SEO-friendly content that helps your product stand out.
Getting started with Rytr.
Begin by signing up for a free account on Rytr's platform. Once logged in, select the option for generating product descriptions. Choose your preferred language, tone of voice, and the creativity level that matches your brand. These settings help tailor Rytr's output to fit your store's unique identity.
Entering product information.
To generate accurate descriptions, provide clear and detailed product information. Enter the product name, its key features, benefits, and any special selling points. The more details you give, the better Rytr can create original and persuasive content customized for your product.
Adding SEO keywords.
To optimize for search engines, include relevant keywords in your product brief. Think about what your customers might search for and add those terms. Rytr can then weave these keywords naturally into the description, improving your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more potential buyers.
Refining and using your product description.
Review the generated description and edit as needed for clarity and brand consistency. You can ask Rytr to regenerate or expand the text if you want more options. Once satisfied, simply copy and paste the description into your product listing. Your SEO-optimized, engaging copy is ready to help boost your sales.